Hi, my name's Tiffany Gregson. I'm Channel Sales Manager here at DiCentral and manage the channel for Acumatica. Today I'd like to demonstrate our integration for EDI into Acumatica. This eliminates all the manual entry as well as makes things a lot smoother for your clients moving into the Acumatica with EDI. With the DiCentral integration, we do all the configuration and mapping for you. For your customer to integrate with Acumatica for EDI, there's no need on their part for mapping, configuration, integration, or any of the data needed or AS2 connection. When your client uses DiCentral for EDI integration, all the back-end integration work needed, mapping, data configuration, interconnects, compliancy, all is handled on DiCentral side. So what your customer sees is just the flow of the trading partners, all their documents moving directly into Acumatica as they would on a regular basis. So what happens is when they log directly into their Acumatica portal, they're going to see their EDI as if they had manually entered it themselves. Only we remove all that manual entry. Now with the EDI integration with DiCentral, you're going to log into Acumatica as you would your normal portal. As you see here, Acumatica pops up as you would on a daily basis. You're going to come here to Distribution, and you're going to see a tab right here for EDI. What's going to happen at this point is we're going to import the EDI documents. On a traditional user basis, you would be manually entering all these sales orders yourself, but what we have done is we have taken all this documentation, translated into a readable form for Acumatica, and now we're going to push those in for sales orders for you. So we're going to import all these EDI documents. We're going to choose to show the ones that we've imported and import all. Now as you see, all your sales orders are lined up here. It's going to show you where they're coming from, the file name, of course the order number, and that they're sales orders. Over to your left, you'll even see little error marks. What this does is this allows you, if for some reason you have an order that came in that say may not have an address, or maybe the item is a little different or the pricing is even a little different. What's going to happen is our solution is going to pop up a little error for you so that you can then either go in and adjust it manually, or you can go into the sales order inside Acumatica and change anything that needs to be in there. We also have the ability right here to view the order. This is the raw EDI documentation. It allows you at a glance to be able to view through the order. Once you come out and view the document, the sales order, now at this point what you're going to be able to do is everything you just saw on that raw document, you're able to come in here and you're able to see it and make sure that it all matches up correctly and matches what you were expecting from your trading partner. As you can see here, all the information from the order is pulled over into the documentation. So at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to create the shipment. With the shipment, it's going to allow you to pull all that inventory from your warehouse and allocate it for the sales order. If you have multiple warehouses, there will be a drop-down menu here to allow you to choose which warehouse you want it to come from. So we're going to choose retail and we're going to move forward. Now what it's done at this point is it's allowed all these items to be pulled from that warehouse and are now being allocated for this particular sales order. Okay, and now as you can see, this type has changed to shipment. It's still in open status. What we're going to do at this point is we're going to confirm the shipment. Now if you check the status again, you see it confirmed. Now moving forward with the invoice, in the same screen, you'll choose the Actions button, you'll prepare the invoice, and it will then show invoiced and confirmed. Now backing out of here, you have the option to come in here and see the documents that you're wanting to send. What we do with Acumatica's integration for EDI is we have utilized the scheduler that Acumatica already has installed. In here, you can also automate your EDI. So if you prefer not to do all the manual importing and exporting of your documents, you do have the availability to come in here and use the scheduler. You can set this up daily, you can set it up twice a day, you can set it up in the mornings or in the evenings. So however your business flow works, you can set up the scheduler for that purpose. Now we also have the functionality of our advanced ship notice. As you see here, it does have all the information. When you're setting up an advanced ship notice from a sales order that's already in the system, all this information right here will automatically be populated for you. So what will happen is everything within Acumatica and everything in your sales order will cross-reference and pull this information in here together. At the next point, you will have the option right here to choose which boxes that you would like to pack and what items you would like in each box. From that point, you can send the ASN, as well as you will be able to print the labels from the ASN. Now, as you can see, what we've done is we've taken in a sales order from your trading partner, we've processed the shipment, we've pulled it from inventory, created a ship notice, and sent out the invoice. This has eliminated all the manual entry that you would normally have just by setting up EDI integration with DiCentral. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly.